In the building. What's good, George? How you feeling, brother? What up, what up, what up? Dennis Hood is in the house. What up, Dennis Hood? OGH, my man OGH in the building. What's good, what's good? Cyber Tech Traders, Yanosh. Louis G is in the building. What up, Louis G? What up, Wags? Hey, y'all got motion today. It's payday, right? Today's Friday, man. Friday's payday. Everyone's excited on Fridays. We balling through them stop signs today. What up, Kelvin? What's good, Purpose? Energy in the building. What up, Dominic? Ewan is in the house. What up, Ewan? Am I missing anyone here? Am I missing anyone? What up, Awareness? Was it? Hey, Xander's in the building. What up, Xander? Manelli's in the house. What up, Manelli? OGH. Andrew's in the building. Casino time, baby. Yo, Rosenbuds. It reminds me of that movie, Major League Baseball. Rosenberger. AB Mike is in the house. I knew I was missing somebody there. Mod Squad in the building, heavy today. Good morning, guys. Welcome in. Hope you guys are well. Hope you guys are doing good today. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. What up, Edson? What up, Osama? What up, C. Melly? Zeb's in the building. What up, Zebs? More pips. 4 days. W. 8-figure trader, baby. Let's go. What up, Marcus? What's good? Chala's in the building. What up, Chala? What up, Got a Trade? Good morning, Bobby. Good morning, brother. Amen. Awesome. Rosenbuds. What up, AJ? What's good, Brian? Lee Steph is in the house. All right, let me pop Zoom up and let's get the party started. All the players are here today. All the heavy hitters are here. Holy. Wow, big motion. A lot of 8-figure traders, man. A lot of future 8-figure traders in the house. Sheesh. What an honor it is to be in your presence here today, chat. All right, I'm going to send this Zoom link out, and then we are going to get this lovely Friday started. Zoom. One sec, chat. One sec. All right, perfect. I can't forget about the Zoomers, man. I left Zoom hanging like a day or two last week. Sheesh, my bad. All right, let's get the day started, chat. It is Friday here. It is NFP. I'm definitely gonna pray for y'all today, and we're gonna get this day started. So let me pray for you guys real quick. Father in heaven, Lord, I come to you in the name of Jesus. I thank you for another morning to gather together, Lord, to embrace your presence here, Lord, to learn, to grow, to become, to overcome, to become more, and all that you called us to. Father, I pray that that the seed falls on good ground today, Lord. And if the ground isn't good, I pray you plow it. I pray you toil it, Lord, so that their mind would be fertile to receive this information, Lord. I thank you for it. Thank you for your word, and that your word says it is true. And I just ask for your blessing upon your people today, in and out this session, and throughout their weekend, Lord. We give you the glory in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen. Zoom link is out. Screen is being shared. Good morning, Joseph. Happy Friday, brother. Happy Friday. W, amen's in the chat. Let me lower the music, and we're going to rock and roll. All right, how's the music? One person. Maybe Louis G. Maybe Got a Trade. How's the music? Good? Too loud? Too low? Amen. Awesome. Music's good? Perfect. A hair too loud. A smidge too loud. A schmidge. Smarten up. Get the schmidge out. There we go. The schmidge is good. All right. It's good. Heart attack. Man, what a name. All right, let's do it. Let's start this day a little bit lower. All right, cool. I think that should be good. The schmidge is schmidged, and let's get going here today, chat. So today is Friday. It is the 3rd day of May. It is another opportunity. It feels good to be at the desk here today, and it's another chance for us to be professionals in our craft, right? We want to be professional because the professionals make money, right? We want to make money here. It's always cool to say, hey, you're awesome, and, you know, you're super special, man. Don't give up on your goals, but, you know, it's a lot nicer to make $100,000, $200,000, $300,000, $400,000 together and go out and create experiences, impact people, and have a good time together. So that's what we're here to do, right? We're here to make money. Professionals make money, and we're going to be here professional today, just like we do every day. So again, it is the 3rd day of May. We do have some major news in the headline here today at 8:30 coming in. As you guys know, we have NFP and unemployment rate, non-farm payroll coming in. That's going to bring a lot of volume into the markets, and then we got PMI a little bit later on today. So that's what we got here. Today's going to be a big news day. So we will see what happens. I know for sure it's going to get spooky over here, right? And it's going to set up May for a lot of volume, a lot of volatility, and a really good May for all those who are professional in their craft. So let's go ahead and do a top-down analysis. Let's break it down. Friendly reminder, as you guys settle in here, give the stream a like. And if you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, friends. Sub to the channel. And give me 1 sec here. Sub to the channel. All right, perfect. Another friendly reminder. Sub to the channel. And give the stream a like. All right, perfect. Let's get it going here. Let's do a top-down analysis. You guys ready for a breakdown? Let's see where we're at, what gold's doing, and see what we can settle in on here today. So today, let's take a look at the weekly. Let's start off here because we know we have officially filled the wick, gang. So let me grab these. Yeah, good. We have filled this wick on the weekly time frame. As you guys can see, beautiful weekly candle here for us, man. Very nice price action. As we know, the weekly has been extremely bullish, right? Running up here for quite some time. We finally got a bearish closure. That bearish closure also was able to do what? It was able to break the lows here, right? Broke this low, came down, left the wick, and now this candle has officially filled the wick. It's been a lot of bearish volume in this candle here. As you can see, we really didn't come up to make much of a top wick, but it is a top wick indeed. And now you should we should see a push here today. Depending on how numbers come out, we've already broken the lows. If you re-break those lows, you should see a really strong push here today to the downside. Now, the cool part about where we're at is if we begin to break this high on a Friday, you know we're going to pop here, right? So there's plenty of range coming up to the top side here. And if news does throw us way up there, which I don't want to say it won't happen, but if that does happen, you know we're going for a bullish ride, and we should retest, pull up and give this candle a top wick, and potentially even look something like this, right? I think we're gonna more so dump versus pump, but that's what we could potentially be looking at. Either way, right? We want to draw out a plan on what can potentially happen either way here, but we have broken the lows. We are very bearish. I would anticipate a move down here today, depending on how everything comes out a little bit later. So let's take a look at the daily so we can play some ball here today. So daily candle closed yesterday. So it's been a little bit of a wild last couple days, just because we are beginning to kind of print, right? We closed below this support right here and moved down pretty nicely, came back up, did your retest, drove down, candle closed with no bottom wick, right? So that candle closed with no bottom wick. It was literally zero surprise that there was a fake out here, right? Everyone should have known 80% chance that this was most likely on when we were looking at this day. What was that? Friday, Thursday, Wednesday. When we came to the desk on Wednesday, I mean, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to understand how this is most likely going to be a fake out, and that's why we took buys on Wednesday, right? So, and then yesterday, right, we kind of pushed down, we retested that support there, and we pulled back. So we pulled back pretty decently. There is a support right here to the left hand side in which we did close below, which is good. And you know, now we could potentially fill that wick and come on back down. Right now, the cool part about the daily is it's a little bit shorter time frame than the weekly, right? Because the weekly high is up here, but if we re-break the daily high, right, then we can get a head start on maybe this weekly candle beginning to really pull back and move up, right? So the daily high is sitting right here, which is about 100 pips from current price action. So if NFP throws us up there and we break that high, you'll most likely see the daily candle begin to push back up here and then potentially, you know, retest these zones and all that good stuff. So that's kind of like what we got going on. Or, you know, to the downside, you may see the potential to close below today, and then tomorrow, next week, we could begin to trade in this area here. So all really depends on NFP here today, man. We're going to follow price action. We are bearish based off the day. We are also bearish based off of the 4-hour candles here as well. So 4-hour time frame has support, right? You have resistance, and this is your current range, right? You've got a wick to fill below there. You've got clean traffic above. Let's go ahead and take a look at what this wick is on the 1-hour time frame. So you got support there, right? So let's adjust this, and we can say, all right, well, we've got support here, right? We've got resistance here. We're trapping price. We're surrounding price. We've got a clean range to the top side, clean range to the downside. Let's take a look at the 30. 30 looks clean as well. 15-minute, boom. That's it. That's the day. That is the day. Let's see what this is. You actually did get a closure here, I would say. Yeah, you got to close. What time is it? 7:20. 15-minute candle closed below. I'm going to be sticking with this 30-minute time frame here. So if you get a closure below, you've got clean traffic coming down towards 22.90. If you get a closure back above, yeah, I'm mainly bearish here today. But if NFP kind of smokes through all this, and then we begin to trade above, let's say 23.08, then you got really, really nice ranges moving up. So that's it. I'm not budging off this 15. If this was like any other day, that may be an opportunity for me 100%, right? But not on today. Not today, right? NFP, I've sat through many NFPs, and most likely it's going to range up until 8:30 here. So now we just wait. You know, that's the game plan. We can wait now, sit tight, let price do its thing in this range, and then you have really clean sells below 22.98, 500-ish right over here, and then really nice buys above 23.02. But again, the buys have to be a range 2. So range 2 buys above there, and then yeah, target is probably somewhere in this range. If you do push up, you'll most likely with NFP, it's not going to be like, you know, NFP happened and it's like, okay, cool, we got a closure above, right? That's not the case, right? So what's going to happen is we'll most likely smoke through all this and then begin to trade above these ranges, and that's when I'll look to take buys somewhere above 23.08, looking towards like 23.20, 23.22, those ranges up there. So that is the day. That's the day on gold. Pretty simple one. Got clean ranges. Just got to pay attention to price and flow with the market here today. Boom. And that is ball game. Perfect. That's it. Done. Dunzo. Hey, nice. Same markup, W. It makes sense. It makes sense. What's up, Richard Lewis? How you doing, my man? I was gonna sell, but I lost that one. Yeah, I don't think you're probably not wrong about the idea to take a sell. It's just right now, for the next hour, you most likely, I could be wrong, but from my experience, you're not gonna do anything. You just there won't be much of a move here until then. Pre-London looked good. This was a really nice sell right here. I'm just like looking at the charts. This happened at 2. I'm just looking at candles right now, seeing what happened, and yeah, that was your trade. That was your only trade here today, and maybe up here too. You know, maybe off of this candle here, confirmation candle, trading candle, or confirmation candle, trading candle here. Yeah, it looked good. My bad. I don't know why I'm so like OCD with these things. Yeah, I want them to be the same size. Yes, Forex Guru, I definitely will. Yeah, we're going to be looking at everything. We'll be looking at it all, baby. What time is it? It is whatever time's on the clock here. What time is it? 7:24 a.m. Some of you guys are living in the future for me. How does it feel to be in the future? How does it feel? Any questions, gang? Any questions on anything here on this breakdown? Anything you guys you're seeing that I'm not seeing, or anything that maybe you didn't see that now it makes more sense to you? Let me know. What up, Periz? How you feeling, G? Humble. Stay humble, Perez. I see the Periz in the Discord, but he's keeping it Perez on the YouTube. W. What up, Grind Time Mufasa? Got 20 pips in pre-London. Nice job, Sammy Pips. Yeah, I think this would have been a trade I would have been open to taking right here. Probably would have closed, you know, like somewhere around this like 15, 20 pip mark. And then possibly this one right here. Right? Probably would have closed right there like 33 pips. Took a buy yesterday after the live stream right here. So this was, I think I marked this one up. I actually entered on the flip of the candle here. We were all out for a walk. Me, John, and Joe. We were out for a walk and seeing the closure, and we're like, almost guaranteed wick fill here. Never mind 2302. So yeah, we're out on a walk. Took this trade. First trade I took off my phone in mad long. But yeah, I secured about 30 pips on that one. Anybody else take that one? I think that we based that trade off of the 30/15 minute time frame. Who else took it? You think the buys would be tough? Which buys? Buys above 2302? If that's what you're referring to, I think so too. That's why I'm going to wait for a range 2 buy here. I'm not going to jump the gun here on buys above 2302. If anything, I like 2308 much better, right? Because at 2308, we break the daily high here, right? So if we can break that daily high after coming down like this, then get some familiar price action on, let's say, the 30-minute time frame, then yes, I'm going to be open to taking these buys, running them up towards like 2317 here, even like 2320 is pretty fire. So yeah, you have a nice clean range on the hourly chart. Remember, yesterday we just boom, just drove down, so that may want to get corrected here today. It all depends on, you know, where this daily candle wants to go. But yeah, buys above that, what is that? That's 2308. Yeah, that's much better, much better. Let's see. When was the time trading started clicking for you? Do you remember the exact moment? Yeah, I do actually. You know, not the exact. I don't think there's one moment, AB Mike, but I remember. You know, I come from a athletic background, so I played a lot of baseball growing up, and like I remember, I'd always be like superstitious. You know, some of you guys remember. Some of you guys are OGs enough to remember, like, you know, like the sock is the sock on. Is the sock on inside out, or whatever other stupid things we would do sometimes. And I still do them sometimes to this day. But I remember it was before I moved to Tampa, yeah. And I would be this superstitious guy, like, you know, I had to do this at the certain time. I had to have this amount of ice cubes in my cup. I had to, you know, wear this hat or whatever this stupid stuff was, right? And I remember I was winning and I was doing good, and I remember one time I didn't do some superstitious thing, and I thought to myself, dude, you're not winning due to some superstition. You're winning because you are showing up to the charts every day and just looking for the best setup possible, and not being a degen, right? A degenerate gambler and just throwing money out on the markets. You know what I mean? So like that was a time where I felt like, you know what? I got something here. Like I got a good read on price. I'm winning at really high levels, and it's not because of some stupid superstition or some routine. It's because I see the markets for what they are. I know what I'm doing, and it kind of just like helped me, you know, in a way confirm that like I knew what I was doing, right? It wasn't because of this or because of that, but it's because of the work that I put in and the time that I put in to be able to recognize and flow properly with the market. So it's a funny story, but yeah, that's what comes to mind when I'm asked that question. Was good, early bird? Was good? Yeah, you see, no closures. No closures. What up, Pablo? Good morning, bro. Hey, Pablo, how was your night last night? Holy. I seen you in Wix chat. Holy. Yeah, exactly. And then, you know, sometimes you think, well, you know, I'll be following Rajan stuff, and, you know, I'll be like, well, you know, maybe the only way I win trades is because I watch him or something. It's like, nah, man, like I had a read on it. I had my charts marked up just the way he's seen it when he explained it. That was what was going through my head before the stream started. So I just started building confidence in myself, and that confidence is going to come because you prove to yourself that you're willing to do the work. You know, notice how it was something that what I realized was it was something that I had almost earned, right? I earned the craft, like the ability to see the markets for what they are, and capitalize on them. So when you begin to keep the promises that you tell yourself, that's where confidence breeds from, and then, you know, success is inevitable from there. Yep. And then as you guys see, look, what am I still doing? I am still learning, still growing on a day-to-day basis. This is class for me, right? Guess who gets to learn the most here? Me. Right? The teacher tends to learn the most, and I am still learning, growing, nowhere near you know, where I want to be in terms of trading, but definitely have made some progress, and yeah, it feels good. But it feels better to continue to learn every day with you guys, right? And we're learning new concepts, new ideas, and all this great stuff together. So it's beautiful. I'm not your guru. Not your guru. Yo, I seen the big wick energy in the house. I seen that, man. Dang. Yeah, you always got to be on your toes in the markets, man. Always, because they're like Futures Frank just said right there. They're always changing, always adapt. You gotta adapt with it. You gotta be in flow with it. And sometimes you may the markets may adapt before you, right? And then that's where you find your little struggle. And it's like a timing thing, you know what I mean? Like, because you don't want to adapt too quick, but you also don't want to adapt too late, right? Because by the time you adapt, next thing you know, the market is moving into a different direction. So it's like you really want to be in sync. That's why I find it so crucial to show up day in, day out, you know, and not really skip days and weeks. And you know, some of you guys take a loss and think, you know, maybe I'll take 2 weeks off. I honestly don't support that idea. I think you should remain consistent day in and day out, day in and day out. Just show up, man. Just show up. Remember, half the battle, more than half the battle, is just showing up, right? So you take some losses. The last thing you want to do is move away from the warm, comfy fire while you're cooling down, right? You want to stay involved, stay with the fire, right? Stay with the future 8-figure traders and let them, you know, kind of give you that pull, right? And help you remain laser focused. When you're cold, you do not want to move from the fire. You want to stay right at the fire. Can you explain which scenario the 4-hour pullback trades work well and what are the combination you're looking for in those trades? Yeah, great question. So like if the 4-hour candle, oh, Rafi's here. Rafi, I'm denying. Yeah, sorry, bro. I'm denying it. Hold on, Rafi. I'll be right there. So if the 4-hour chart, right, is looking like this, and let's say you have, I don't know, like you have a support here, you have a, bullish candle that moved up, right? And let's just say that this was a previous support. Boom. And then now you have a new 4-hour candle and then this 4-hour candle, right? So we would anticipate that, you know, this candle right here, let's say we show up to the charts and this is your candle, we see that there's a support here, right? And if it made a resistance, its goal was to retest that support, that in which it did, right? So that's where we come up with this new term, like it's already tapped target, right? It's already did what it's designed to do. It's reached its destination. Now look, this candle can continue driving, but I don't think after you get signs on the lower time frame that it will, as long as you're confirming on the lower time frame. So your other question is, what are you looking for, right? What is it a combination of? So that means that, let's just describe this candle here. Like that means that you had a bearish move down, right? Bearish move down here, and then you'll get signs, right? So you'll get, let's say, weak candles, right? Really weak candles coming up. And then you'll all of a sudden you'll get a candle that closes with no bottom wick, right? And then you'll get another candle now that closes back in the range, right? And breaks the highs, right? Now you have a good feeling that this candle, right? So this blue candle is that wick right there. We've already tapped target over here. We've created support. We've really died down on the volume here, right? We've closed with no bottom wick. We've created support. We've broke highs, right? There's many clues that the market will throw at you, and where you could say, hey, this is most likely at this point, the probability is that this candle will pull back now, right? So that's where you're beginning to enter buys based off of that idea right there, as price has already tapped target and ready to pull back for either the next candle or, you know what I mean, whatever, just ready to pull back for the remainder of the candle to, let's say, leave a wick, right, for the next candle to follow suit. Yeah, does that help? Any other? Can we say it better? Maybe yeah, because that's what it is. And you'll get multiple signs of this. And look, this right here is going to be the more risky trade, right? We all know that, right? This candle can easily just demolish things, right? And break down and push down. It's going to be a more risky trade, right? But there's logic behind it if you know how to read candles on the lower time frame. So it's not like you know, and I don't want anyone to confuse it as if like, well, we're looking to call the bottom here, right? That's not what we're doing. We technically we kind of are, but we're not doing that until we have legitimate, logical confirmations here on this lower time frame in order for us to get in, right? Because the same thing could happen. The candle can pull back as well, but what if it does it? What if this happens, right? If this candle pulls back, then am I going to be interested in a buy now? No, right? That move is done, right? I don't want the buy now. It's done. It's over with. So it's got to be clean. It's got to be clean. Say My Name is in the house. What up? Say My Name. Are we in a sell? I'm not in a sell. That's for sure. I'm sure some people in the chat are. Yeah, because you guys may be preparing for NFP here. Getting into some positions. Who's getting into some positions here? Lining it up. What up, Ali Reza? What's good? Is your first name Ali, last name Reza? Holy. Is that what happened in the current 4 hour? Well, we filled the wick. We didn't tap into support yet, but we filled the wick. I believe the reason we're not going anywhere currently is just because we've got NFP here and, you know, just a little bit. So we're most likely going to range. I have traded, I don't know, how many NFPs? Let's just go 4 years, right? 4 years times, holy. Yeah, it's been a lot. Yeah, I'm not even going to try and mess up my brain there. Yeah, it's been a lot of NFPs, and most of them just kind of range up until, you know, the news comes out. Yeah, correct, Colin. Yeah, yep. And look, again, that's going to be your more risky trade, right? So it's a whole different story when, let's say price was, let's say price is moving up here, moving up. And let's say these are 4 hour candles here, right? You've been moving up, you do some sort of like a fake out, let's say, and you have this ahead of you. So now when you get to the desk, so the first example was if we get to the desk, right, and price has already tapped support, right? Now here's the other scenario. What if we get to the desk and the 4 hour looks like this, ready to rip, right? So ready to break those lows. So now it's a totally different game, right? Now you're going to be very bearish here, right? And this is going to be the healthier move, right? The more logical move. It's not, you're not going against the higher time frame here in a way, right? Now you're moving with it. So this is the one where you want to potentially put the full margin, not full margin, but you know, your full risk on the table. So what's going to be happening from, let's say here within this box here, hold on, let me get a yellow box. What's going to be happening within this yellow box here, right, on the lower time frame over, let's say over here, is going to be a range, right? You're just going to be ranging for the most part. And then once you get a candle to close below, let's say like this, during one of our high volume times, and you know, this was the previous daily wick right here, now you are ready to go, right? These are going to be our sells here, because now you're anticipating that this 4 hour candle is now ready to go, because not only have we broke the low, we've also broke out of the range, right? And we get our, let's say, one of our playbook setups, and then that's the green light for us, right? And then we're looking to bring it, trade till we get down to support, take our partials, walk away, have a great day. So there's multiple ways to go about it, you know, and all depends on where that 4 hour sits when you begin, and how much time is on it or left on it when you arrive to the desk. Right, this is your healthier move though. The first move is a little bit more risky because you're buying the pullback, right? So it's almost like a counter trend trade in a way. But this is where you're gonna have, like, you know, more of, I would say more A plus, right? More A plus setup. Did someone say the Rizzler? Yo, what up, Melvin? That's good. Trustpilot. Hey, chat. Thank you guys. I really do appreciate you guys running it up on Trustpilot for me and the brand and the business. It's well appreciated, man. Yeah, super pumped up. You guys always have such nice things to say, and yeah, I'm super grateful for y'all, man. Yeah, if you guys haven't left a review on Trustpilot, come to the website here, leave a nice review for us. Only nice reviews, man. Oh, energy bringing out the elites, guys. Last day here, so today's the 3rd. This is the last day. I have one spot left for the elite program, but I'm closing it today. So if we don't got nothing today, I'm happy with those who are on board now, and we're just gonna settle it there, and next openings will be in June. So last day is today, and yeah. Oh, nice job, Patrick. Are we selling gold? If we close below 22.98, 486, most likely, yeah. But news is coming in here. Big news coming in here. So I would recommend just hanging out and just letting this range away, and then most likely the range will break during news. And if you do close below during news, that to me is a little sketchy. All right, if you get this closure below, all of a sudden price moves down at 8:30 and then doink right up. So you just want to be careful here before news. No rush. What up, Jelly J? Can you check charts for stream? Yes, let's take a look. Yeah, if you guys aren't in our free Discord, you guys can join the free Discord as well here. Let me check charts for stream. If you guys have charts that you want us to break down and go over, then you guys are more than welcome to pop them in here. Let's take a look at this chart here and see what we got. Hey, yeah, we talked about this trade earlier, man. Nice job. Bearish buys, 1530, 1 hour rejected off resistance right here. Entered on the break of the lows. Simple, man. Simple stuff. Nice trade. Yeah, I was expecting to hear from some of you guys. Took either this trade or I think it was the following candle. Yeah. Let me check the London session. See who caught it. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, that was right here. So that was this trade here. I think the only two playbook setups at all were right here. So you got your confirmation candle and your trading candle, right? These two. And then down here, right? So you got your confirmation closure below and then your trading candle being this guy. So yeah, I think those are your only two trades today based off of our system and the way we trade. But other than that, it was just pretty much rangy. Yeah, not that good, not that good. This may have been something right here, but I don't know. Not that good. Yeah, if you guys took those sells, great job. Don't trade news, bro. What's up, Lee? Great trade, man. Yeah, W. Do you still trade GJ? Nope, not really. Not at all. Actually, never. Yeah, I took it off my watch list, too. What's the deal with the boot camp? Had a fake Nick try and recruit me on Discord? Holy! Watch out, bro. Them fake nicks are everywhere. They're everywhere. If you guys want to know who the real Nick Stewart is, then here you go. W right there in charts for stream. I think my account's the only yellow account. Maybe one of the mods could correct me if I'm wrong, but I think my thing is yellow, right? And no one else is yellow. Let's see what Chala's got going on. Whoa, Perez. Oh, let me move the Discord, man. Yeah, it can get crazy. Let's see, Perez. BE closed 80%. Okay, so it looks like, what time was this? Was this just now? Or, oh yeah, I see. Yeah, I think the issue, bro, was that you just had no bottom wick here. Yeah, no bottom wick, and it maybe needed to take a little bit of time to have a new candle and then like celery play. Yeah, remember, anytime there's no bottom wick on a candle, what do you guys see me do? I just wait for another candle. Right now, if you got this other candle here, now it kind of closes celery. Now notice how I've come to find out that most of the celeries don't work well when this candle has no bottom wick, but that doesn't mean that it won't work, right? So this is where you kind of check the condition there, and you say, okay, well, I still want to take the celery if we break the low, so, you know, maybe I'll just go lower risk, and then typically, like, that will be the candle to do the drive. Fake boot camps? Damn. Man, hit the preview. Yo, so one of the elites, he showed me something where this dude tried to, he was from like, I don't know, I'm not too sure where he was from, but he actually sent him a voice message trying to sound just like me. I was done, bro. I'm like, damn, this man really needs it that bad. And the guy I'm working with said, yeah, yo, well, definitely, man. I trust you, bro. I'll send it to you. Where do you want me to send it? And you know, he didn't respond after that. But like the guy called him like 40 times, 40 times or something like that, 40 times. Holy. He's like, I got him, man. I got him. He said he would unload the 2500. YOLO trader, what's good, my boy? The guy's like, yo, man, it's me, Nick. What do you think? This is confirmation. Are you ready to send the money now? Damn. How many elites do we open? 5 or 6 per month. Yo, AI is coming. AI is sick with the voiceover too, man. Yeah, AI, man. Scary. Speaking of AI, TK's in the house. What up, TK? TK. Is there a reason you don't take oh yeah, trade GJ? Yeah, it's honestly it's not the same pair as it used to be during the New York session, which is the session that I trade. So, you know, just honestly I naturally found myself fading off of it just by looking at like the trades I've taken. I go, oh wow, I haven't traded GJ in like a month, and it wasn't on purpose or anything. It was just wasn't really lining up during the New York session. So eventually I was just like, yeah, let's just get her out of here. Let's get her out of here. And then we added the NASDAQ to the lineup here, but haven't really traded it too much. Gold's been the bread and butter here. Yeah, let's take a look at NAS anyway. So the daily did close very strong bullish, so I had a feeling that was going to happen there yesterday. Notice how we broke the lows, and then pushed up, right? So we closed bullish. Weekly time frame is still bullish as well. Daily's going to be bullish. Looks like we trying to make a better bottom wick there. 4 hour is chopping around here, so typical NFP, right? 1 hour is chopping a bit. You've got a support, you've got resistance. Let's go ahead and see that 4 hour again. You got a nice clean range on the 4 hour to move up here. 1 hour as well should be clean. Yup. And then let's just take a look at this 30-minute. Yeah, I think this is your pre-NFP range here. You've got clean traffic moving down to the left-hand side, and then above there, you've got a pretty nice move coming up. So that's the NASDAQ. I think that's the range you're sitting in. You might be able to use this range if you want to. Depends on how. It's like a 22 pip range. So this could be the NFP range, but I personally wouldn't take any buys here at 8 a.m. Before NFP. If there's a closure or something, I'll probably keep it below there. So yeah, that's NAS. Either or, whatever you'd like. After NFP, they're both games. So I think we're gonna range though for a little bit here. Yeah, so we get red numbers for the dollar here on unemployment and NFP, then we should begin to move up here on gold. If numbers come out good on the dollar for both of them, then we should be pushing down here. Yeah. Yeah, the cool part about it is that our valid buys are really above the break of this daily high, right? Because most likely during NFP, if this is your first NFP and you don't know quite how it works yet, you're not going to close above here, right? It's not going to be like this nice little closure above. Like, you're going to get like a rocket ship of a candle. So it will most likely close above 2308 anyway, you know, and then you've got that nice clean range. Screenshot that. That could be exactly what happens here. Like a rocket, man. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, or if you do go down, there's a chance that you do spike up. So that's the issue with kind of holding trades, right? Before and after all this, you know what I mean? It can get crazy. So you could be in these sells right now, but then get completely obliterated, right? And then price just moves back down in your direction. So that's why it's always a bit sketchy. Yeah, we'll see if Raja's on. Roger. Let's see. Is he on? Oh, he is on. Yeah, let's take a look here.
I missed that too.
Oh yeah, see, you got the same zones.
Some other challenge in my mind.
Same zones as us.
So this account, when it goes to 10K, no one I know.
Yeah, simple game here today.
Each and every trade I took, I've posted that in our Discord. Each and every trade.
W, this is the guy I learned from. So it's always nice to see everything line up with the guy that I learned from. Yeah. Yeah, and I still learn from him today, right? I have market fluidity that I'm running through currently. So yeah, it's the best. Hey, yo. There he is. Yo.
I have 3 kids. I have a full-on family. And I know that there's someone out there who is working maybe twice as hard to bring me down. So that's what motivates me. So every day I wake up with the fear of everything just being taken away from me. Not like
Busted.
literal sense, like it's in the back of my mind all the time. Which is why
He's a
I
G.
just keep going hard every day.
Keep
every
going
day,
hard, baby.
every day.
Yeah. I used to think like, man, life's going to be great once I make XXX whatever amount every year. But then it gets to the point where you get there and you got to maintain it, right? You got to continue. You got to persevere and all that stuff, right?
Should go down theoretically.
It's fleeting. Money's fleeting. That's why you can't put your hope in it, your joy in it, your trust in it.
No.
Because it's,
that's never going to work for me.
never ending. Never ending. Oh, I got this, now I can get that. I get this, now I can get that. I'm sure Roger's going to have buy stops and sell stops here. I would assume sell stops below here at this point and buy stops above here at this point. I may be wrong, but I'm assuming that's what he's going to do. If this is the low, then he'll keep it like that. Martin's like, do I have a Raja on here? Yeah, we'll put him back on maybe at 8:30. But NY Open is right here now, so 26 seconds here. You may get a closure below, but I think this is this is trickery right here. So I wouldn't take this. If it drives, it drives, but I'm going to stay out and wait on news here. Oh, yo, Rafi's here. I forgot. Oh, my God. Hold on. Let me pull the zoom up. Oh, buddy, up. Yeah, look at that. Man. You gamblers right now are like, why couldn't it have closed a little bit below? Rafi, what's up, my man?
My dude, how you doing, brother?
Fantastic, bro. You?
Oh, man, I'm doing fantastic. How are we doing today, chat? Good morning, good morning, good evening.
How's the day? How was the day, I should say?
I normally don't do this, but I got calls. I got done with calls last night, like it's 2:30 in the morning, and then I got back up at 7:30. And I started back up at 7:30 until it was like 10 my time. I had my gym session, came back, I had 2 calls, and bro, after that I just felt completely drained. I was like,
it was done.
Yeah, bro, I'm gonna go and connect with my higher self, aka take a nap. So I did that.
Everyone's like, so when you connect with your higher self, what are you doing when it comes? Rafi's like, just taking a nap.
Basically. So yeah, man, I feel great now. So
W.
Yeah,
That's good.
We're here now.
Good old naps, man.
Yeah, that's powerful stuff, man.
Yeah. Let's do this here. When did you wake up? Was it a while ago, or was that the afternoon?
Yeah. Well, no, I did wake up. I normally nap for 10 minutes.
Oh, okay,
I don't
10-minute
nap for that long.
Nice.
Yeah, bro, but I had to snooze on this one.
This one went a little bit longer.
I was like, am I gonna have to be up all night because I'm, sleeping for now like 45 minutes?
Yeah, that's true.
Whatever, man. You do what you want to do, And my body needed it, so I did what my body needed. So I feel good now.
Facts. used to be me, man. I used to put a layer down for naps after my horrible trading days where I over traded and over risked, and I would just tap into my higher self. You need to improve next to it.
Have to.
Yeah, man. Oh, I'm gonna be right back. I just want to get some water here, and I'll be right back. W for those that are in the cells. No, I'm just kidding. What up, lights, fire?
Hey, chat. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but there's a channel now on the Discord called the Mental Performance Channel. I will be sending little things here and there just to create awareness for all of you guys. I know a lot of you guys have been here for a while, so this is just gonna be a reminder for you. You know, the more that you listen, the better it gets. But for the new guys that are coming in, yeah, there's gonna be little gems here and there. It seems like the last couple of days when I posted, I don't think a lot of you guys got the notification. I talked to Scott, and I don't think he did. But just letting you guys know that, you know, here and there, just go and check in there. There's gonna be some things for you guys. Just, you know, to improve our thinking, our level of awareness, for us to get better.
Yeah, let me show you guys the channel here. Here it is. Did we get everything fixed on here? So that way everyone gets.
I think so. Yes.
Yeah? Okay. Cool.
Yeah. I'm gonna send here since we're live.
Yeah, it's gonna be in this channel right here. So Mental Performance Channel. Everyone should see it on their Discord now. I think we made it public, right? So yeah, you guys should be good to see that. There, you won't be able to type in it, but you should be able to go in there and read it. And we don't want to clutter it up, just kind of like we have the trade of the day. By the way, if you guys want to see yesterday's trade that we took at 10:30, this is the trade, the trade breakdown. Appreciate you, Scott, for breaking all this stuff down. But this was the trade taken a little bit after the live stream yesterday. And yeah, so just like you guys can't type in here, but you guys can study it, that's very similar to how this channel is. Yeah, there you go. All right, perfect.
Bro, this is exciting, bro. Like,
yeah.
Look at this thing, like emojis flowing in. Let's go.
Motion in the Mental Performance Channel.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so
Some
that's
heat
where it's
is
gonna
coming in for show.
Yeah. So Rafi dropping gems, man. Don't miss them. Don't miss them. Trade of the Day is my favorite channel. Shout out to Scott. Yeah, man. Trade of the Day is phenomenal. This is this entire Discord is, we created it as an environment for growth, right? Like a safe place to grow. Like, you know, some of you guys know Chala, and Chala's been taking his time to just kind of like after the live stream gather some people together and, you know, look at the market still. And, you know, I go in there and stuff when I can, and it's cool. You know, it's really cool to see that everyone is, you know, in there kind of sharpening each other, making each other better. And that's really what we created that Discord for, was to bring people together to not, you know, basically trading's lonely, right? So to have a community to gem with and jive with and sit and look at the markets with after the live stream is a W, you know, and everyone's beginning to see the same plays and look at the markets in a very similar way. And it's a safe place, right? Where if, you know, on YouTube, anyone can come in here, right? So you got a lot of Quakers, a lot of haters from time to time, people who, if we take losses and they take it with us. They're very upset. But when you come in here, this is more of like the home team, right? Like the family here. So you can be, you know, vulnerable in a way with your wins and your losses, and people are just going to encourage you and, you know, just give you a word of advice. And that's the Discord that we had in our vision from the jump. And it's really, really cool to see all that coming together, and a place where, you know, outside of the stream, people can continue to gather together and, you know, make each other better. So it's super cool. So if you guys aren't in our Discord, you can join our Discord here. It's completely free. I think there's, like 7,000 people in this Discord here. So a lot of up and coming 8-figure traders for sure. Yeah. Yeah, and there's all different type of rooms here, man. All different type of rooms. From we have the Jesus mission here. It's where we will kind of, anytime I'm preaching, it'll be in here. Any words of advice I have, I'll kind of leave it there. You got words of wisdom, which Energy looks like she's been running the show out here, bringing the wisdom. So shout out to Energy. You know, all different type of announcements if there's anything big happening. By the way, guys, on the 8th of May, I'm going to jump back on ASFX live stream for like an hour or two if you guys want to pull up and hang out. But there's all different type of stuff. Transformational channel. This is great. This was one of AB Mike's ideas. Great idea. Just kind of letting us hear your story, a little bit of your testimony, and it's just amazing, man, to see who some of you guys are, you know, the path that you guys have taken to get to where you are today, and what you're, you know, basically looking to create in the future, right? So that's a really good channel. You got the Traders Chat Room, which is just like a random channel for, what's this, Bootcamp Monday recording live stream. Day 2 and 3, it shows this. Which bootcamp was this? Was this the original bootcamp? Yeah, DM me. We'll figure this one out. I'm not too sure here. We'll figure it out though. But yeah, Traders Chat Room is just basically a random chat. Hey, appreciate you guys on the Trustpilot, by the way. 5-star. Hey, TK, do we still have a 4.9 on there? Holy, how we got a 4.9, Rafi? With every review is a 5-star. What's up with these guys?
Freaking, let's go, bro. Where do we do this?
Oh, you got to go to the website. So if you come over to the website,
okay.
Yeah, and then you just scroll down to the bottom. Right now. Yeah, you can review us on Trustpilot. And if you guys aren't subscribed to our newsletter, subscribe to the newsletter, man. This will be coming out probably every week now. We'll come out with us. Sometimes it'll be a smaller newsletter. Sometimes it'll be a little bit more packed with things that are happening. But yeah, we'll probably send those out like once a week now. But anyway, going back to the Discord, you can send us, we have this desk setup channel here. Hey, W. Hey, whatever it takes, man. Yeah, show us where you're trading from. Show us your mobile office here, so we can see what you got going on. Yeah. Prop funding. If you guys have any success here with your funding challenges, as you can see, a ton of people passing funded challenges, moving on, getting payouts, doing all that great stuff. Top One Trader. This is designed specifically for Top One. If you guys have big questions or concerns, or just want to put something like that you did well with right here, you can put it in the Top One Trader, and we'll try and get to it quickly. Book club. Man, you guys haven't posted books in a while. Y'all still reading? Since April of 20. Oh, actually, that wasn't too far ago. Yeah, David. Yeah, Compound Effect. Yep. And then my favorite channel, which is the food channel. Yeah, this is my favorite one. I study this one the most. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Remember that? Yeah, man. But anyway, if you guys are trading, you got Asian session, London session, New York session, all these channels to mess around with, trade with. Again, Rafi's mental performance channel here, blowing up. Holy. And then the trade of the day. And yeah, if you don't trade our playbook, then there's also a channel here. where you can just post your random your other ideas. What's this? When you try to follow 2 streams? Hey, my boy Lorenzo there. Oh damn, man. How do you? I have a question. How do you listen to both? I feel like that would just it would mess me up. When I would do that with Don and Raja, it would throw me off so hard. How do you like fully listen in? No lie, I would legit put one. I have my laptop here and then my computer here. And I would have my AirPod hooked up to my Mac computer and my regular wire headset hooked up to my laptop. So like Don would be one ear, Raja would be the other. Damn, dude, that was crazy. Those are crazy days. 2 to 3 streams easy, man. Yo, easy peasy, man. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it too well. My brain like almost exploded. Whoops. Lorenzo's like, all right, we're going in for a buy. Nick's like, all right, man, this looks like a beautiful sell. Ready to have the best trade of your life. You're sitting there like, what? Just picking your nose. Yeah, that's got to be tough. What's the next YouTube channel? The next video on my YouTube coming out, it's going to be a video on how to handle losses and losing streaks. Yeah, that video is going to go for edit and come back and we'll post it. Bring back Uncle Scalp. Word. Hey, Uncle Scalp's got the Zoom link. Yo, Uncle Scalp, man, I don't know. His character's gone. Like, he's just back to his, I won't say his real name here, but he's just back to him. There is no more Uncle Scalp. He destroyed the character. He said, nah, man, this trading thing ain't for me. These guys are great. Nick is awesome, but I got to figure something else out. And that's fine too, right? He'll probably be very successful in whatever he puts his hand to. But man, trading's not for everyone. It's really not. You'll see people come and go, and it's not that they're, not ambitious or they're not reaching for the stars. It's just that trading is hard, man. Trading's hard. It's not easy to play this game. So that's why you really got to be a professional. Imagine thinking you're going to win big as a gambler with no system. You're going up against the best, some of the smartest people on the face of the planet when it comes to finances and markets and all that stuff, right? So you really got to be dialed in. He plugged back into the Matrix. I don't know. I'm not too sure if he's back in the Matrix or if he ever left it or if he's just doing something outside of it. Controller X, wow, that throws it back. Controller FX it was. And I have no idea, man. I don't know. I have no idea about any of that type of stuff. I miss Unk too, man. Trust me, I'd rather have him here. I'd rather have him here than not here. But a man's gonna do what a man's gotta do. Use loyalty 50. Think NFP is a sell? It could be. It could be. We got NFP coming up here in less than 15 minutes, so we'll find some positions after the news breaks. Yeah, that's right, AB Mike. Yeah, if you could do a good job at blocking negativity, you're gonna win over time. I think that's one of the best things I did to get like an advantage on everyone else. Is I just became super positive. Like that negative stuff, it don't last. It don't last long around me. It won't last long. Cut the crap. Yeah, like Energy said. Cut the crap, man. You're a G. I haven't heard that one in mad long. Oh, cut the crap out of your life. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you can keep buy stops and sell stops. Yep, that's not a big deal. Like I said, I think if I know Raja well enough at this point, I would say he's gonna have a sell stop here and a buy stop probably right there. Yeah, we'll turn him if he's still on, which I'm sure if he's on right now, I'm sure he'll be on. If this candle closes like the way it is, I don't know. He might have it a little bit even lower. So I'm interested. We'll copy his trade. Roger. Roger that. Yeah, Rafi, this is good. This is good. We're going to outer space here, man. Look at this. Whoa.
Yeah, man.
Whoa.
It's just the intro. Sometimes I don't know if people are really truly ready to get the game started. When I saw that there was no answer,
oh
nothing,
yeah,
like,
yeah, yeah.
whoa.
Nah.
Whoa.
They just didn't see it. Rafi was like, wait, whoa, what's going on here? Yeah, you got to be able to receive the information, you know. You're like John was saying yesterday, your mind is like the land, you know what I mean? So whatever you sow into it, you'll reap out from it, but you also have to make sure that land is fertile, right, to receive these type of things. And I think that's why a lot of people come to this channel sometimes and they hear us talk, and because we give the real deal like realities of trading, you know, a lot of people don't want to hear that, unfortunately. Or we talk about the matrix, and you know, people don't want to hear that stuff, right? It's like some people will go, they'll be feeling really sick and they don't feel their normal self, but they won't go to the doctor, right? Because they don't want to hear it, right? They don't want to get the news. They just want to keep living what they're living, right? So like your mind really has to be fertile, and if you're going to take in the information, and that has a lot to do with what AB Mike just said about really blocking out that negativity. Because if you filter everything through a negative point of view, then you're going to read Rafi's thing right here and go, what's this guy think? Calm mind. You kidding me? A calm mind? I got bills to pay, bro. You know what I mean? So you're not fertile to receive, right? To receive the seed, right? So that way it can grow within you and you can use it to your advantage. So yeah, man. Keep a fertile mind. Block the negativity.
Nah, and the thing is, you know, like, we are all at a different level in our own journey. So what I tell you today, for example, about, you know, let's say emotional mastery, you probably don't get it. And you're probably like, well, what do you mean by, you know, this and that? But in 2 weeks or in a month after you hearing and seeing, then it's like, oh, now I understand why. And then as you keep going, you keep unlocking levels. So, you know, this is like everything. You're not gonna, you know, build muscle overnight. And the mind, you know, in a way, you gotta think about it like that. You have to go up to the gym. You have to do the work, and it's gonna hurt. You're gonna get sore. And that's no different here, you know. The ego is going to flip out when you're about to change something about yourself, when you're about to improve yourself. It's gonna flip out. Things are not gonna feel comfortable. You're gonna want to not hear the truth, and just, you know, that's why people say it's a journey. It doesn't just happen overnight. So on this channel, you might hear things, you might see things that might trigger you because of your own, where you are in your own journey. And my invitation to you is just to observe and, you know, truly explore. And whenever you read, just explore what does that mean to you. And if you have a question, just, you know, you can reach out. It's not like I'm unreachable, right? You can reach out on Discord. I'm gonna be more active on Discord. I normally not, I'm not, but you know, you can reach out in there, or you can reach out on my Instagram, and we can, you know, talk about what is it that
Chat,
is,
whenever
you know, is holding you back.
You know, ironically, that has been
Facts.
happening.
Let's see what he's setting up.
I asked Don why he has a domain to put me in timeout. Yeah, he does has my domain.
Oh,
He
oh,
does. Little rat.
oh,
Little rat.
oh.
Hate rats. Have you seen the recent video of Riz Dom about you?
Yo,
Yep.
right.
When cheapest Dominion funding
Not the
firm
best time to
coming
put
in
that
the
on.
industry. Really, we can trust your firm, brother. It's not going to be the
Holy.
cheapest. It's going.
Wow, that was crazy. Oh, let me share my sound on Zoom. Rafi, can you hear the music now?
Hey, let's go.
Let's go. To be honest, remember you showed me that one time. I always forgot to do it.
Yeah, yeah. That's awesome, bro.
Bro, Roger going ham. Damn. Gratitude. Yep. Gotta be grateful, man. All right, we got 6 minutes here for news. So it looks like they're pushing the price down. But don't jump too quick. 5 minutes and 29 seconds left. Let's see what Raja's gonna do here.
It seems the part of the reason you're successful is because you take responsibility for everything and learn from it. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. This Tejas, 17-year-old, any advice from me? I really want to meet you soon. Come to Dubai.
Come to Dubai. Yeah, it looks like he has same zones as us. I think he redrew his zones too.
It moved down over here. Is this okay? Here's the thing. Look at this, right? Look at this. Imagine this. Now, the best thing about C Trader pricing in, yeah. So get into that. Best
Comics
thing about
open.
C Trader is this. I'm gonna go to calendar, and it's gonna show me the news. Now look.
Yeah, we'll pop back in with him when he sets his buy stops and sell stops. Bro, turning into the Raja Casino. Yeah, let's run it. Yeah, let's see if sellers got triggered here. You already know. So let's see if they win the battle. Euro USD, sell or buy? I don't know. You tell me. You tell me. That's your pair, not mine. I don't trade that pair. So maybe you can tell me buy or sell. What up, Sandman? Good morning. What up, champ? Do you look at gold? Yes, this is gold. So the pair is up here above, right up here. Gold, and then you got NASDAQ right here. What's good, Sandman? How you feeling today? Yeah, Nas just chopping around here too. You should get a big breakout here as well. You've got nice move to the upside and downside. The 4 hours just literally trickling here. So we really want to see if this daily candle is going to move up. If it does, you should push way up here today towards like this resistance level at 17,800 right here. Yeah, see how we tried to come down and break the low. We couldn't do it. Now we're back up. We're still in the range technically, but yeah, I think this is your pre-NFP range. I could listen to him talk all day. Who, Raja? I could listen to Roger talk all day.
2 lots. Can I use 2 lots?
My favorite.
4,000. Okay,
My
I
favorite
can
is when
use
somebody
2 lots.
asks him a question
So my sales.
Oh my god, bro.
and he gets like
gets tight.
annoyed.
Bro, did you guys hear what he just said before? I'm like, damn, that man's vicious. I don't think you could hear it, Rafi. I didn't have the share on at that point, but damn.
What did he say?
Dude called Don like a rat. He's like, that dude's a rat. I'm like, oh my god. Relax. Sheesh.
He cracks me up, man.
Damn, bro.
Stop will be right over here, right? And my buy stop essentially
Oh yeah, here we go.
is going to be right over here. Now, since this is a big candle, this is a 48 pip candle, I'm going to drop down to the 15-minute, and I'm going to...
Yeah, that kind of
Yeah,
sucks
so
now
it's
that
gonna
it
be
pushed
the same.
down too far there.
YouTube is blurry. Well, everything's so blurry. Everyone's so fake. Na, 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 na. You guys know
Guy's
that
the
song?
best, man.
That was an old song.
How do you guys
Only
not like
OGs
this?
know this song. By, who was the song? Puddle of Mud.
Bottle of mud. Yeah, he's gonna have buy stops.
When you were young, you had to break up, you heard the song.
And sell stops
Everything's
right on this
blurry.
candle here. Interesting.
My tears can't escape. Okay, here we go. Here we go. We
Oh, yeah,
have
let's
a
watch
minute
out.
and a half left.
Let's see what he does.
Don Wu said, screw me. No, he would never say that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is... Instead of using buy stops and sell stops,
It's time.
the spread is going to trigger my buy stop. I got 1 minute to decide now. I got 1 minute to decide now. We are having...
Oh.
Okay, so my brain says we are having a rejection
Oh.
buy. The stop loss is
happened?
down over here. Because
a juicer.
based on my analysis I just did, this should continue pushing up.
Oh,
Okay,
nice. He
stop
took a
loss,
buy.
man. 3, 2, 3,
He's
2,
late.
1. Boom. Oh, no way! No way! $1,000!
Yeah. Oh man,
No
this guy's great.
way! Wow! Oh my
He's
fuck!
hype.
Look where the fuck it went! Oh wow! Look at that
Yo.
fucking push!
Sheesh.
Oh my
Sheesh.
god! Look at that! 200.
Nice. Daily high broke for sure. Yup.
Woo! Wow! That is crazy.
W.
That is crazy.
Who had buys? Who got in these sells, man? I was trying to tell you guys, don't get in those sells. Damn. Nice. I'm happy for Raja.
Just analysis. I put power in my brain. And I did this. I was massaging my brain. And I was like, okay, based on this.
Man, guy's a trip. All right, cool. So we pushed past the consolidation here. That's good. Broke the lows prior to NFP. Now we're moving on up. The 4-hour has broke the highs. The daily has rebroke the highs here. 30 minutes obviously moving on up. So yeah, we'll see what happens here come 8:45, and then we'll go from there. Wow, what a move. Shout out to everyone's first time here for NFP, first NFP. We've got a lot of flipped accounts, a lot of blown accounts. Just all depends on where you put your order at. Who blew an account? All right, we can get rid of this. Yeah, let's take a look at the numbers here. See how they came out. Probably... Oh, horrible numbers here on NFP. Really bad for the dollar from 315 to 175. And then you got red numbers here on unemployment. So yeah, gold should that's why you have that initial spike up here, and then we may trend up here the rest of the day. Yeah. That was wild. Really bad numbers. Yeah. Yep, so now we're above 2308, you know, so if we remain above there, that's basically our new range here for today, and we can look to take more buys up there. Where's Raj's 50K profits these days? I think he's trading on like a $1,000 account, right? Yep, so that's the move up, man. Beauty. Red numbers, clean push up, no bottom wick on that 30, just a straight run up. Let's see how it looked on yeah, beauty. Yeah, this one gave you a bottom wick. Oh, this, yeah, no bottom wick on that 30. Sheesh. 250. Damn. He trades on a 12K account, made 1,300. Damn, yeah, that's pretty good. That's really good actually. That's really good. So what happened here? No 5-minute closures yet. 5 minutes closing in 16 seconds. 15 minutes still open for another 10 minutes. And obviously the 30 just got started here. So we gotta wait. We gotta wait. We're coming up into this resistance level now, which is kind of like that area in which we were looking to target, 2317. So we'll see how we react there. If you can get some sort of a pullback now, that would be lovely, right? Let's say on the 15-minute time frame, just some sort of a move back down here, and then new support formed, and then we could take buys, or I could take buys here on this play coming back up a little bit later. Yeah, that's the buy I'm looking for there today. So yeah. I made money. AAW. Good job. You need a new laptop, OGH. But yeah, when you look at it like that, you know it's a diesel candle, and you gotta like scroll up, right? Look for it. How many of you guys feel FOMO right now? Like, how many of you guys could like actually admit, hey, I feel FOMO. I want to enter a buy right here, right? How many of you guys are doing that? I remember being there. So I know it's still. Sometimes I think like, yeah, no one's got FOMO right now, but how many of you guys got FOMO and you guys you're down on the 1 minute here? Once we get this breakout, man, I'm in here, man. I'm in here. How many of you guys are doing that? Yeah, that feeling's been like so gone at this point of FOMO. Once you have a true system and a true strategy and you're disciplined to it, you now understand what your move is and what your move isn't. So anytime price will run, you are super calm and chill about it, because you know, hey, it's running great, but it's not my move. Hey, cool, I was right about the direction, but you know, it's not my specific entry, right? I didn't get my entry type or whatever it is. So once you're really excuse me, dialed in on your system, now anything that happens, right? Anything that happens outside of that system is just noise. What was the other one? JOMO, right? Joy of missing out. Rafi took sells? Nah, no way. Rafi.
Yeah, no, I'm just looking.
No, Rafi's good
Scott,
though.
No, I'm just looking.
He moved his stop loss up.
Nah. No, I'm just looking like how that affected, you know, the dollar with the Indonesian rupiah. So that's why like I'm just looking over here.
That's funny. You guys are funny. Nice. 170 pips. Beautiful. Beautiful. See a nice pullback here. 5 minute pushing down. Yeah, 4 hour now is 4 hour is clean now, right? Because if you get a closure, let's say back above the range here, right? You get a closure above, you got clean candles moving back up, you got a wick to fill, and there's more room to drive up here. So we really want to see this candle close above the range, and that'll be our first sign of you know, our buys beginning to set up. Yeah, so all we're looking for now is how will the 4 hour candle close? That's pretty much it. All right, will we close above or will we close back in the range here? We close above, clean range to the left. Took buys and sells. Hey, yo. W. Double W. Double W. That's a double W right there. Holy. Yeah, it'll be nice too if you can catch like either the 5 or the sometimes on days where you got NFP, you can want to look at a little bit of a lower time frame. But yeah, if you can get the closure here and then begin, so you get this initial pullback, then maybe one more pullback, and then support formed on like the 5 or the 15 down here. As the new 4 hour opens up and makes the bottom wick, then that's going to be an A+ setup. That's going to be A+.
Yo, we got Jonah Boyce in the house, man.
Oh, okay. I was literally just saying, where's John? Where's Joe? Joe Stuchek, how you doing?
Oh yeah, where's Joe at?
Joe just flipped his account on NFP.
He probably hit the snooze like I did earlier today.
Jean Von Don, how you doing today, sir? Looking fresh, kid. All right.
Thank you, Rafi. What's up, my brothers?
Yo, yo, yo.
How you doing? You can hear the music now, right?
I can, bro. I like it.
W.
I like that.
And now you guys
What's good,
can
boys?
hear...
How you guys doing today?
Great, man. How you doing?
How you doing?
You can hear the sound too?
Yes, sir. Let's go.
W.
We vibing now.
Let's go.
Game changer right here.
Hell yeah. Now it's fun to be on Zoom. No.
Before it was like, man, boring. You can't even see like my face up there. Nothing.
Nah, facts, bro. Facts.
I don't know how y'all do it.
Heard. Yeah, man. You guys are doing good?
Yeah,
Doing
man,
better
fantastic.
than
How about
good,
you?
bro.
Nice. Doing great, bro. Thanks for asking.
Sheesh.
Another day to be grateful for. So,
Amen.
Lovely.
yes, sir.
Grateful.
What's good, chat?
Hey,
How you
there's
guys
Green.
doing today? Greenery.
Chat's on fire today, man. Chat is on fire. Chat got motion. Big 4 hour closure.
I got most. Morning, AB Mike. What's up, brother? What's up, Scott?
Brother.
Good morning.
Green. My man. 6 likes. Nah, y'all wouldn't do me that dirty. Hit the
Bro,
refresh.
what a
Hey,
juicer.
yeah, if you guys like this juicer here, give the stream a like. If you guys want a winning trade today, give the stream a like. If you guys want to finish your week profitable this week, give the stream a like. If you believe in yourself, give the stream a like. If you don't think you're a loser, give the stream a like here today. Yeah. Give it a like.
Let's go, Andrew. Andrew passed phase 1. That's what's up, brother.
Hey, yo, W. Let's go. Andrew,
Way
where?
to
All
do
right.
it, brother. Way to get the job done.
Andrew's an elite member. We got the elites
Lovely.
stepping it up. If you're not gay, like, yo, Charlie, you're funny.
Yo, Perez, you're a clown, dude. Perez, what's good?
Was it me or was yesterday a pretty funny stream? I feel like I was laughing a lot yesterday. Was it funny
I think it
yesterday?
always
I don't
is.
know.
Always
Maybe
a funny
I
stream.
just make myself laugh. I don't know.
I think so.
Which time frame is this? This is we're looking at the 4 hour and the 1 hour right now. So we got a big closure coming up here in 16 minutes. 5 minute just drove down heavy. That's what we want. We want to see like a potential fake out here. Some sort of like a fake out right around this, back around this 1 hour, 30 minute support resistance level. So we want this resistance to become a new support, if that makes sense. And it looks like you'll only get that on like a 5 minute, right? So what I mean by that is, just like I drew out earlier, potential closure back in the range, right? And then the idea is to begin to move up on the new 4 hour candle, and this is your 4 hour wick fill. So we'll see. Pulling back, pulling back. How many of y'all took buys up here? Just had to do it. You just had to do it.
That FOMO.
What up, Alexandros? My man.
What's up, Alexandros? Good, brother.
15 closure. Yeah, 15 may move up here. You got to close above here. You got decent range. Random 5 minute rundown here. But I think I'll be sitting tight and waiting on the 4 hour here.
Wait for some more information.
Let's go, Louis. Phase 2 now. AW. Hey, if you guys passed your prop firms here this week or you're cruising in on them, post it in the prop firm channel. We want to celebrate you guys, and we want the community to celebrate you for your hard work. W. Hey, Dropout Trader doing phenomenal. I like that word, man. I remember before I was 20, 21 years old, I didn't even know how to spell phenomenal. Never mind say I was doing phenomenal. Yeah, man.
Yeah, it's honestly a different type of breed of a word. I gotta start saying that.
I remember this one kid who I got into business with. He actually led me to my mentor who mentors me today. He would always say, "I'm doing phenomenal." I'm like, "Bro, what? You're doing what?"
You're a beast.
Phenomenal. I never heard someone say that in my life. I was 21 years old. Never heard someone tell me they were doing phenomenal.
The most you heard was like, I'm okay.
I'm all right, you know, same old, doing all right, just getting by,
Right,
you know, that
just
type
another
of BS. Yeah, 15 may pop here, because we may want to close back above the range. I want to wait on this 4 hour candle here.
Those 8 a.m. sells weren't too bad either. I just didn't like the closure. Looked like a weak body.
8
The
a.m.
projection
I probably would have been.
Wasn't messing with it.
Yeah, I probably would have enjoyed or looked for that if it wasn't NFP day.
Yeah, word. That too.
Yeah, exactly, Scott. My soil was not fertile at that point. I'm like, dude, phenomenal. Come on. Come on.
Right.
I'm fine. Yeah. Oh my god. That like, yeah. You were in the 15 but got B. Nice. Yeah. I don't trust this 15 here. Really want to get this 4 hour to close. We kind of drew this out here, right, earlier on the stream, that you might get a huge, and that's why I wasn't recommending being in sells, right? Because you can get that boom, pop up, and then close back below the range, and then next thing you know, it's back to business as usual, like nothing happened. 4 hour close is bearish, and then the next one drives down. So, if you're in sells prior to NFP, this thing wipes you out. Basically takes out millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars of stop losses up here, right? And then continues to push the price in that direction. So you want to be careful. Pre-NFP, pre-FOMC, pre-CPI, these are big events that you want to kind of tiptoe around. Yeah, could have collected stop losses for sure. Would you say I'm doing well? I've got one funded 12.5K and on phase 2, another funded account. Been trading for 7 months. I don't think you're doing well. I think you're doing phenomenal. Yeah, that sounds phenomenal to me. You've only been trading 7 months. You're probably taking it serious. And that's why you're getting good results. It's going to take a few months to learn, right? And then a few months to actually benefit off of those learning lessons. So it looks like you're doing one heck of a job, Louis. Congrats. Keep up the great work. And yeah, keep pushing. What's up, One Pip Mark?
Keep pushing.
How you doing?
What's up, Mark?
Big Mark in the house. Mark, how you doing today? Andrew passed phase 1. I'm just trying to get like him. Yeah, that boy is
Andrew's
stud.
big chillin'.
That boy is stud.
Come on.
He just texted
Phase
me.
1 pass. To end the week, bro, on Friday. Come on. That's a vibe.
On a Friday.
On a Friday. Go, Andrew. Love to see it.
Andrew, when did you start trading? So this is why I want to show you guys how much can happen in 4 weeks. Andrew, when did you start trading? Like, I know you put some money in the markets like a year ago, but when did you like officially start trading? Let's see. Because it doesn't have to take a long time. If you have that's why we talk so much about the dream and the vision, because when you're locked in, right, on your dream and your vision, and you don't have any outside noise, you take this serious, right? You become a responsible, mature adult, a professional trader, right? And you begin to learn that way. So that's all it is. I think the only reason that held me back for the first 2.5 years is because I wasn't mature yet in the markets. I wasn't responsible with my capital yet. Right, I was still playing games. I had some money to blow through. Right, I wasn't taking it serious. But as you guys know, once Alea really was born, what happened to me? Right, my mindset shifted a bit. I became more responsible. I knew I had to make better decisions, more mature decisions in the markets with my capital, and that's where things really turned the corner for me. So just like Andrew's got a big dream, a big why, he's got a family to provide for, he's not playing games with it. So that's why we encourage you guys to, dream and understand what the vision is and, really lock in on that.
So he understands his job and plan.
Mm-hmm. You ain't got no time. If you're seeking financial freedom to provide for your family or just provide for you, you ain't got no time to worry, complain, criticize, condemn this and that. It's go time. Go time.
Sure. Hey man, everyone's process is different. It's all up to you. That's the beautiful thing about it. right? It's all up to you how quick you can get it done. If you want to do the right things or the wrong things, it's up to you, right? To prolong it or to get it done. So that's the lovely thing about it.
Yep. Yeah, there. So yeah, that 15, we would have been stopped out on that 15. So glad we didn't take that. Nothing there on the 30 yet. Just nothing yet. You know, you really need this 4-hour candle to close to get a better direction, a better idea of where, you know, price wants to go next.
More information.
You heard I wanted to get into longs at the top. I think you might have heard wrong. 10 a.m. news? Yeah, we'll stick around today. I think what you missed there was we wanted the retest, right? So we want to see price. We don't want to buy it up here. We want to see price come down, create support, and then take a buy. And then take a bite. Yeah, we got news. So basically, we got news ahead of us for the remainder of the session at this point. So it is what it is. We got if we find positions around news, we can do it. I think 10 a.m. I'll stay out, and 10:15 may be a play. But so far, 9:15, 9:30, 9:45 is a go for entries, and I'll probably settle down for 10 and then pick back up looking for entries around like 10:15. I'm learning from Chala, man. Hey John, how about that buy yesterday on the walk? I was telling
man,
Chad we were on
lovely.
a walk getting grilled by a squirrel at that point. Yeah, this was a money buy here. Money buy.
Oh. Hell yeah, man.
What time was that?
That was 10:30 a.m.
10:30.
Yeah.
Yep, the chart spoke to me. It said, "Here's your setup." And I said, "Bet."
Yeah, we closed above. It was nice trade. Me, Joe,
Very good.
and John both got in it.
All of
Literally,
us,
we were
yep.
on a walk. We were like, "Yo, we're in here."
Yep.
That was the first trade I've taken off my phone in mad long.
Yo, how did that feel?
Yeah. Bro, it feels amazing because it proves to you
Best
that,
thing
like,
ever.
bro, you can literally go anywhere you want and make money from your phone online. It's sick.
You can make. You want me to teach
you
you how
know
to
how
make
many-
money on a walk? Join my program.
Nah,
For real.
Yeah. Dope. Yeah, man. When you understand the skill set and you develop it, man, it really could set you free, man, and it becomes so simple. Your phone, computer, candles are candles. Once you know how to analyze it and get a read on it, and you know your setup, trading becomes really simple. I lost 2 funded challenges, and third one is down 5% in 25 days. Struggling a lot. Yeah, man. Well, it sounds like you have a problem, and all the problem really is an unsolved opportunity. So what is the opportunity here, right? There is no problems, only opportunities. Why are you funded accounts? Why are you down 5%, right? Zone in, lock it in, and figure it out. Look for the solution, because most mistakes in trading or errors in trading are all human errors, not even market generated errors, meaning that the errors aren't from your system. It's more from you. It's from you listening to your ego, you not following your plan. So look at those losses, see what did you do wrong, right? Did you follow your plan on them? Were you just incorrect? what could you have done better? You know, you got to precise. You know, you got to look for the solution.
Yeah,
there's an opportunity in there though. That's for damn sure.
Great advice. Great advice.
Yeah.
Let's do a fresh top-down analysis here so we can see where we're at from 9 to like 10:30 or 11ish here. So again, daily did close bearish yesterday. We did remain below the range here, right? So you can see the range was right here. We closed bearish below it. We did not break these highs, right? So although we did a major pump up there, we did not break our daily highs. Our weekly still in motion to continue down if we break those lows. Again, daily still bearish. 4 hour here is looking to close up in about 1 minute and 20 seconds. So what we can say here is we have a 4 hour range. So can we close above the range, right? If not, then we're in a sticky situation here, right, when it comes to the 4 hour, because now we may start to head down to fulfill the daily mission, right? The daily's mission is to fill the wick here. So we may begin to do that now. So getting our information off the 4 hour here, with the daily being bearish and the 4 hour potentially being bullish, that means we're going to find a range on the 30-minute time frame, and then we're going to look for potential buys above, sells below that range here. So looking at 1 hour, you have support right here, right? Support right here. You don't have a support until this candle closes in 30 seconds, but you have a support to the left. You also have a resistance up top here. There's also another resistance in which we said that's going to be the better buy, right? But it doesn't look like we're going to close above there. 30-minute as well. 19 seconds left. Major rejection off this candle. 15-minute, didn't really fill the wick. So as we see how the new 15-minute candle closes, that's where 4 hour candle closes. That's where we can potentially say, okay, well, if we get a move down, we can either move back up, or if we can get, I would say, closures back below, right, 22.95, then sells are pretty valid. Sells may be valid below 23.02, but this 4 hour did close bullish here, so I think we would need a better confirmation for 23.02 there. So yeah, so going to be pretty bullish based off of this. Let's see how the 15-minute pans out, and we'll go from there. So new 4 hour candles opened. It has opened up. Yeah, nasty 4 hour closure back in the range. Yep. So this is where it can get a bit sticky. All right, daily candle still very bearish here. Never broke highs. So yeah, just patience right now. Patience.
There.
Yeah. Below 23.02, like I said, could be a vibe here, but you really got to wait for that closure, because you don't want to, come down, just wick down and then break the highs and move up. So yeah, tough closure, but it's what we got.
Good, Sandman.
Yeah, you didn't see the win because it was yesterday at 10:30 a.m. Yeah, it was right here. This one.
Lovely trade.
Off the flip,
Literally
too,
that
chat.
pattern just repeats itself over and over and over again.
Yeah,
right. Once you understand market moves and you understand that these setups that we take repeat themselves over and over again, and again, it becomes very simple to identify it and to execute on it.
Yes, sir. All right, man. All right. Man, this is tempting. This is very tempting.
What, these buys?
Yeah, but I'm going to stick around on the 15 here and just wait for a closure. Very tempting, though.
That ego, though.
Could you walk us through the last win? Yeah, that was over here. So that was yesterday a little bit after the live stream. We were waiting for, we didn't like the sells at all yesterday. If you guys remember, we really did want to see these buys play out. So what happened was you got this candle closure above above support, and also the 15-minute above that. 30-minute above that support. So I just put super tight stops. I was on a walk, and once we broke through this wick, I closed like right around here. It was about 30 or 35 pips or something. Yeah, and it ended up hitting full target there. That was my full target right here.
Yeah, I would have held till target if we didn't if we weren't on a walk. Buys played out quickly.
Yeah, they did. Yeah, I still think a closure above would be best.
Yo, good morning, Wags. Good, brother.
Wags.
What up, Wags?
What's going on, brother?
How you doing? Had sells at London. One closed below. Yeah. Oh, ended up in a loss. Yeah, I think the only sells for London today was here, this candle, and then this candle here. Other than that, it was a bit choppy. Just faded out. $23.04 consider that a zone as strong as resistance. $23.04 500. $23.04 500. 2304. Yeah, you mean the top of that resistance there? Yeah, that's also another ideal zone right here. Yeah, I'm not gonna use it because I'm probably not gonna trade within that area at all. But yeah, it is definitely, you got resistance, same thing over here. So yeah, that's a pretty important zone there. Tapped our target perfectly, man, at 2320. Right, that NFP push. Let's see what the NASDAQ did. Yeah, moved up. Damn. So this 4-hour close really strong, right above all that resistance too. Wow.
Daily tap target.
Yep. Beautiful. Yeah, we could say that the daily potentially did tap target here today, right? And then if you do end up getting closures back below, that's where you may see a move back down on the NASDAQ. But again, that's going to be the riskier trade of them all. This is super clean coming up.
Yeah, 4-hour closed above too, that resistance.
Yeah. Yeah, is the daily gonna hold strong here and keep moving down? That's the big question, especially with this nasty 4-hour closure. We'll see. We'll see.
Big question.
Oh, we got another chart. Let's see. 1-hour onion play. Previous daily close bullish. Or I'm sorry, bearish. Previous 4-hour close strong bullish. Overall mixed. Okay, cool. Confirmation candle has no top wick. Okay, didn't enter here. Next 1-hour candle closed as celery above. Lovely. Is this valid? Onion if we now break the highs. Yeah. So stop loss should be placed where you have it. And then, yeah, entry should be placed where you have it. Those are good. My only concern here is I've noticed that when this candle has no top wick, it doesn't work the greatest. So it doesn't mean it won't work, but a lot of times, right, if we have like, let's say a 90% win rate with a celery play, the 10% that it doesn't work, 8% of the time, some of you guys are like, whoa, 8% of the time, this candle has no top wick. 8% of the 10% of failure rate, this candle has no top wick. So you want to size down there just a little bit. You still want to execute if all things line up and you've planned it, but you want to size down a bit on that one. Yeah, exactly. Yep, half risk, something like that. Yeah, that would be considered a condition, right? To a red flag condition there. So that's where you still want to execute, because the idea is there, right? The 4-hour close strong bullish. The one was a 1-hour kind of onion, but celery. Yeah, so you're still bullish and you want to execute. Just that's where you want to size down a little bit. Yeah. All right, no bueno here on the 15, huh? No follow through. Expected that. I'm sorry for asking those questions. No, man, you're good. You're good. That's what we're here for. I'm pretty patient, man. I can go over the same questions multiple times. Right, DK? Yeah, we'll get the same answer or same questions a lot, but it's okay, man. I know you guys are looking to learn, and it's totally fine. You don't have to feel bad. I like questions.
It's better to have questions than no question at all. I always say that, it's like I want people to, even if it sounds stupid, it might not be stupid for somebody else,
Yeah, it's true. Yeah, because if you have that question, chances are in a room full of, I don't know how many people are here, but in a room this big, multiple people probably have that same exact question. So it's good to ask. Would you follow your gut instinct or your plan? If my gut is telling me to stay off the charts, should I do that, or should I stick to executing my plan? That's a great question, man. I think that you should show up to the desk no matter what. Whether or not you take a trade is a different story, but I think showing up is very important, even when you don't feel like showing up, because maybe, just maybe on that stream, that's where you hear something that, boom, makes the shift or the click for you, or maybe you see something, or that's typically when something big is going to happen. So I always recommend pulling up, showing up, and whether you take a trade or not, that's a different story. Whether you go full risk, half risk, quarter risk, that's where you can make those adjustments. But not every day is your gut going to want to show up, but you have to kind of do it anyway. That's just my opinion. Some people, they need breaks and time off, but yeah.
I think that's pretty important, I mean, there's no right or wrong, but
It's a good question. It really is.
pulling up to the charts, doing your analysis is like putting the reps in, like hitting off the tee. Can you guys hear me? My computer just like froze.
Yeah, I can hear you now.
All right, but
All right, so we got 2 minutes for a 15 closure here. So we'll see how we close and go from there. 5 minute, notice how we kind of came down. We did our little fake out. Now we're ranging a bit. So we'll see how this 5 and 15 minute candle close. Can you please, I'm really trying to understand the range 2 breakout, please. Yes, we could remind me and we'll do it because I just want to see how this candle closes. But there's also, I have a video on my YouTube channel that goes over range 1, range 2 breakouts that I'll probably update because we've learned a little bit more about them. But just to get a head start, there's this video right here, range 1, range 2 breakout, and I think this will help you out a lot. I'll revamp that video too and add some of the 4-hour concepts in. Sam the man, what's good? Rise and shine, my friend. All right, 1 minute for the close here. Sammy Pips, W. W. Yeah, ever since that day where where you guys asked me to create the course, you guys put ideas in my head, so I'm actually trying to put a blueprint together of a solid course so I can move on and live in Dubai and buy a new Ferrari. Man, that course came out. Sheesh. Dude, forgot. Nah, but I am working on a lot
of ever since that course came out.
I am working on a lot of content for YouTube and for private elite members, and yeah, maybe we'll do some sort of a course. I'll be in Dubai with my Louis V bags, chilling. Oh man. Yeah, and I appreciate that, Sammy G. Yeah, man, there was a time where we only had like 100 people watching, barely 1,000. Yup. Yeah, good times. Rafi was here. Rafi was there for that. John was obviously there for that. It's good times. Good times. Me and Rafi met. We really met on that one-on-one we did together, right?
Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah.
Bro, that was like when I was like, I have questions about this whole new strategy, man. Like, I was really intrigued by it.
Yep. Yeah, we met on that one-on-one. We clicked right away because we're both baseball players. Both have a baseball background and all that good stuff.
Facts.
Yeah.
Facts. Yeah.
That was a while ago now, man. That was over a year ago, right?
Yo, man, yeah. It doesn't feel like it, but
it doesn't.
Time is an illusion, you know?
Yep.
What are you gonna say,
yo,
bro?
Rafi, when we link up, bro, we gotta hit up the batting cage.
Facts.
Yo, you guys have batting cages out there?
Yeah.
Somewhere
absolutely.
you have to.
Oh yeah.
I don't know for sure, but we definitely do.
You have to. Yeah, I think that's more like old school now. Like I remember when I was younger, like
young kids
you find like a batting cage and the balls were like yellow.
Yeah, remember that? They spit it out. The young guys now are like, yeah, we've got them virtual batting cages over here. No, we don't actually hit a ball.
Bro,
it's just a virtual screen.
Damn.
That's crazy. But yeah, no, definitely, man.
For sure.
I might be coming back again for Christmas this year, but I'm not going to the cold weather. So we might probably, well, Nick, I told you this last year. We might probably go to Florida and check that out.
Pull up.
Hey, say less.
Pull up on us. All right, so 15 close,
I was
no
thinking
bueno
about
here.
this today.
Yeah, go ahead. 15, we got nothing right here. What were you thinking about, man?
You got the Yanks coming to town.
Oh, Yanks are coming to Tampa, yeah.
Really?
Yeah, they're in the same division.
Yeah.
Oh,
they
damn,
should
we'll
be
have to
here
go to that
multiple
game.
times.
Yeah. I was thinking about that the other day. I was like, dang.
Ah, word. We'll have to go to that for sure.
Sells below, sells below. Hi, Professor Nick. Hey, Muhammad, what's up, man? Blessing Friday. Yes, it is. How are you? Hey, man, I appreciate you, man. Why you not trade as Raja at NFP? Raja's a little bit more aggressive than me when it comes to news. I don't really like trading news like that. That's all. Oh, nice, Joseph. I didn't know that. Pro hitting instructor. Let's go.
Hey.
Professor Nick, Professor Muhammad, is there any formula about the strategy that is a shortcut? Yeah, there is actually. This is what I like to call the money play, right? If the 4-hour close is strong bullish above a certain range and all that good stuff, and you're expecting the next 4-hour candle to do that, basically all you're looking for at that point is a 30-minute or a 15-minute time frame that looks like this. If you can hone in on this concept here, then you will never have to work another job in your life at a certain point, right? So let's say this is the 4-hour candle and this is the way it closes, right? So you have this candle close right here, 4-hour candle number 1 on the left. That's your closure. Now what you're waiting for is what? A bottom wick, right? So let's say you get a bottom wick, or let's say it closes like that to make it the 15, right? And then all of a sudden price begins to do something like this. Boom, boom, right? Now you're kind of waiting for a closure back above, right? This resistance. And then once you get a closure back above, right? Let's say something like this. So you're ranging now, right? Once you get this closure above, all you're doing is looking to fill the wick on the 4-hour chart. And what does that mean? That means filling this range, right? On the 15 or the 30-minute chart right here. Boom, that's your trade. So if you say, hey, I'm not taking any other position unless this is the position, you will do very well. And if you understand this concept, you'll be able to dominate. I think that's why our system it does so well, is because we understand higher time frame candles and how to break them down on the lower time frame. So it's very simple, and that's how you can shortcut the process. Sometimes you may not even range, right? Sometimes all you're doing is waiting for that bullish closure, and then that's your opportunity right there. Boom. Right, to fill that range. And what you're doing is you're filling the range here. Yeah, the money move.
I like what Xander said. The strategy is the shortcut. That's facts.
That's true. So that's what we're seeing here, right? 4-hour candle, closure, right? And now if you re-break that 4-hour high, what is that going to equate to? That's going to be a closure above, right? And now you can say, okay, the 4-hour looks like this, right? The 4-hour now looks something like this. So we would anticipate that it will come up and fill the wick. So the next candle could pop. Yeah, simple, simple, simple. Will you get it just like that every day? Nope. You know, it's going to be up to you to hunt that down and find that and seek it out and prepare yourself for it and wait for it and all that good stuff. But, you know, that's a simple way of trading this system. All right, what are we going to do? 8 minutes. That's true, Sammy Pips. And then you begin to trade it often, and you find out the details and the nuances and, you know, all these little things that kind of make everything a great trade. You begin through chart time and experience and reps, you begin to, you know, figure that stuff out as well. Yeah, a lot of this has to do with repetition. Reps, 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 reps. The more reps you get, the more you figure out, the more you learn. What do I commonly see on NFP or after NFP? It's always a bit different, but you know, I think every day, like, you see me flipping through these time frames here, right? So every situation is going to be different. Sometimes you got a bullish close or a bearish close, or sometimes it closes right at support or right below it or right at this, you know what I mean? So every time's a little bit different. But one thing I do know is that at 8:30 you get a fireworks show, and I wouldn't want to be involved until 9 a.m., 9:15ish. You know, that's one thing I know for sure. Yeah, Z Gamer. So that's where we're at right now, right? With this daily being bearish, this 4 hour being bullish, right? This 30-minute potentially closing. So will it be a fake out to the downside for price to continue up, or, you know, especially with the news and the result of the news, or will this actually be the fake out here for price to milk down now, right? So who's going to win, 4 hour or daily here? So that's a big question. So yeah, I think if we close below, I'm more so in favor for the push down after a rejection and a rejection here. But yeah, we'll see.
And
another tough
the
one.
higher the time frame, the stronger the, you know, candles, the levels. So if the 4 hours tap in that zone, that resistance area, but the daily's bearish, you know, like we get a 30-minute resistance created, what does that mean, you know? Like what is there a high probability of price at that point?
Yeah. Yeah, so that's our minor dilemma here, is the nasty 4 hour closure doesn't give us the greatest, you know, confirmation or direction for that matter. Massive stops here too.
Definitely would have to use like 15 minutes or something.
Can't believe after all this news we're still in the range. I know, right? Yeah, you know, the best sells are below below 95 here because that's the previous 4 hour low.
I agree.
We'll see here. We got 4 minutes. Oh, sorry, Adam, man. You're blowing it up too much, bro. We gotta put you in timeout for like 10 minutes. 10-minute timeout, sir. Damn. That's crazy. Let's go, Louis G. Take a picture of it, man. 10-minute timeout, young man. All right, let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. Big closure. Hi, I'm from Turkey. Hey. What's good?
Good.
How's the day in Turkey today? Gobble, gobble, gobble. All right, 2 minutes. How is life in Turkey?
2 minutes. Dos.
Hi, I'm from Antarctica. Man's from Antarctica. Hi, I'm from Indonesia. Guess what else is on our hands here? 9:30, right? 9:30 a.m. Eastern, so we should have lots of volume coming in. So we'll see how we close here.
Paras. What an igloo. That's just funny. I can only imagine him with like a computer or something there.
Right. Yo, Perez, I gotta meet you.
I actually made an igloo when I was younger. Like it was like a legitimate igloo. Like we had like the TV in there. We were running electric through there and all that with extension cords from my buddy's garage.
Dang.
It was crazy.
That's crazy.
We actually had a heater in the igloo. Crazy. Every night we would spray. We take water, spray the top of the igloo, and harden up overnight, and it'd be solid, dude. The thing lasts. We literally had to destroy it with like everything we had. It was nuts. All right. Potential closure coming up. So basically this is like your partial TP area, 22.95, and then you got clean sells coming down as well. That would be the daily breaking its own low too, and then you should get a push from there. Or it could be a fake out here, but if we close below, I'm pretty interested in sells here. Gotta get a top wick though. All right, yeah, I'm gonna have a sell stop here. Sell stop. Break of the low. Whoa, purple everywhere.
Yeah, I got my stops above 15-minute previous candle.
Dope, dope, dope. My zone. Yeah, let's see if we respect the highs here on the 15 and then push down and break the lows there. That arrow. No smartphones, eh? Let's see here. Can we buy yet? I wouldn't buy yet because you got to close below. So if we're closing below, we may come down and retest support there. So I wouldn't buy just yet. Maybe a closure back above. Yeah, maybe a closure back above would probably be best. All right, I'm in here. I am in. $26 pips, and I'm out. Boom, right there, chat. Oh, nice. 29. I got 29. W. So retested support, perfect. Done. Dunzo. And now we may bleed off because this is their daily low, by the way.
All right, bro, I'm out of here.
W.
You wanna go for a walk?
Time to walk.
Bro, I'm out. Go for a walk. Man.
Walk.
Nick, you pulling up?
NFP Friday. Yeah, I'm down. See how quick that can be?
930 cheat code.
930 cheat code. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, that was my trade. I think I was a little, yeah, I was like, where was my stop? Yeah, wow, price came straight to my stop. W's in the chat on this lovely Friday. Good job, chat. Good job. Way to stay on price, right? Reading price, no, not forcing anything, waiting for the right opportunities, waiting for the 4 hour to close, seeing it close very crappy, looking at the daily, understanding that the daily was still in favor to go down, and then taking our piece of the pie and running away. Yeah, wow, look at this. Drive.
Yeah, just close everything.
Sheesh.
Oh, good stuff.
W chat.
Another trade, y'all. Just another trade. Make that
Another
same
one.
trade over and over.
Yeah. Wow, bleeder. Bleeder.
Later.
Holy, 200
bro.
pips to the downside. Wow,
Shout out anyone still holding.
very good. Hey, if you took that trade, spam a W in the chat on this lovely Friday to end the week. What a quick move, too. Hung out all session and like 10-second trade there. Holy.
See, this is why we exercise patience and discipline. So when we get our move, you know, we're in there.
Yeah, man. What a Friday. What a way to end it.
Beautiful.
Man's past phase 1 and phase 2 today. Holy. Yeah, this actually did move more than NFP. Yup. You're right, bro. 230 on NFP and almost.
Those of you who are new, this is why we love 930.
Yeah.
Get crazy volume.
Yep. So yeah, that's probably the day.
Yeah, bro.
9:35.
Chilling.
So look at this 5-minute candle here. Goner. W. Check out the 1 minute. Hey, yo, 3 minutes. Yeah, nice trade, chat. Everybody understands the move. You guys understand the idea. You guys were here pretty much the whole day, knew what we were kind of looking for. Again, that 4 hour with a very sketchy close there. That means the daily may be good, may be ready to run here. So look at that, man. Just exactly what we talked about throughout the session and earlier today. Damn. 930's back. First trade on the 25K account. Nice. Let's go, Scott. W. My trade was not off the flip. No, it was off the break of that low right there. That previous, where is it? Right there. This is the actual trade itself. So right off the previous candle. It was the previous and the current candle low. Yeah. Hey, if you took the trade, put a like on the stream for us. Like the stream.
Give a review. Give a review on the site.
Give a review on the Trustpilot site. And don't forget to buy my new course, where I can teach you how to make hundreds, even thousands, and potentially millions of dollars while you go take walks with your brothers on a day-to-day basis.
So you can catch pips like this every day.
You want to catch pips like this every single day without fail?
Proud of you, TK. Bro, that's amazing, bro. I remember we having conversations, bro. This is wow.
Let's go with TK.
Proud of you, bro. Yeah, TK. He's about to get his first draw. His first draw.
Oh, nice.
His account. His funded account. Yeah.
Let's go, TK.
Man, you remember when you used to get the emails from my Forex funds?
Oh man, the best. What was her name again?
That hit different, bro.
Yo.
Yeah. What was her name again?
Her name was it Ashley? I don't know. I forget what her name was. I love her email. Her emails are some of my favorite.
They got this deal. Was it deal the platform?
Deal.
Well,
Yeah,
that's what I
Deal.
got through. Yeah.
Yep. Hey, W Bobby. Friday too, man. It's payday, chat. It's payday.
It's a typical Friday.
It's a typical Friday over here at the TT headquarters. Just catching bladers. Update the record. Update the record shirts are coming soon.
Love me a 930 bleeder.
John, what'd you get on that?
I think I got 20. I closed right before 22.96.
W, bro.
I got like 20 or 23, something like that.
That's fire.
23 pips.
Yes, sir. What'd you boys get?
What did we say? What did I say I got earlier? I wish this was like MT5.
No, I got a little
still.
more, bro. I held that thing.
Yeah, nice. Way to
I
hold it.
had a target in mind, so I just kind of like what I did was like I held it and put myself at break even. I'm done.
Lovely.
It hit my target. Yeah, I got 100, a little bit over 100, and then yeah, done.
W.
Beautiful, bro. Call it a week.
W.
And I go and connect with myself now.
Yeah, dude. There you go.
10-minute nap.
Oh
Rafi's
yeah,
banging
you
calls
missed
out.
it. You weren't here yet. But I was telling Nick that today I took a nap, but I called that connected with my higher self. So I connected with my higher self for 10 minutes.
Nice. That's
10 minutes.
fire, dude.
Yeah.
That's all you need.
Yeah, Bitcoin.
Honestly, that's what I need, bro.
What, a nap?
No, just 10, 15 minutes.
Oh,
After
10,
that, I
15,
feel
yeah.
groggy.
Yeah.
Bro,
Yeah,
a
nah,
10,
for real.
15 minute like power nap is, bro, it's amazing.
Yeah.
I'd be feeling so recharged after like a 15-minute nap. It's crazy.
Bro, when I had my baseball facility, I used to when I had like a half-hour break or whatever, I used to go to my car, turn the music on, get the AC, and just literally 5-10 minutes recharge for the rest of the day.
That sounds mad good. And it doesn't have to be like you're sleeping or anything. Just like closing your eyes and like thinking,
Yeah.
meditating, whatever. That's still fire too.
Facts.
Yeah.
Call it a month.
Call it a month. Hell no, the month's just getting started.
Always in profit. You're a clown, man. You're back. Always in profit's back. Blessings, my friend. Wishing you the best day ever here and a magnificent weekend for you and your family.
Yeah, always in profit, bro. God bless you, man. You're cool.
Yeah, blessings, bro. Always in profit. I love you, man. Always show up here. Always show up. Drop a comment so we remember who you are and we can say hello to you from time to time.
Yeah, I love you too, bro. Love you too.
Update the record, man. How to trade news. Yeah, wait for news to come out and then follow price action. That's the best way, in my opinion, to trade news.
Yo, where's Joe?
Update
Did he
that.
miss this move?
Oh, he's still check.
Joe, nah. Did Joe miss
He
this?
better have not.
Bruh, no
Holy-
I don't
way.
think he
On a
did.
Friday, you know how many cookies you could have gotten with this?
Yo, crumble on Joe
Yeah,
tonight.
Facts. Yo, facts. Crumble on Joe. I could go for a nice
Hey,
cookie too.
Sunday for my birthday. Crumble on Joe. Take some
Yo,
profits
I'm
out,
gonna
man.
go after the stream. Yo, after the stream, I'm gonna go to the place. Where can I send a picture so he can see it on the Discord?
Oh yeah, do it. I want to see it too.
Yeah, but where do I send it to? Like what channel so he can see it?
Food channel.
Maybe his phone number.
On the
Food channel.
food channel. Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Or tag crumble cookie or something, and Joe will probably be searching up crumble cookie hashtags, and he'll find it there. Joe's like, what's on the menu
Yeah.
this weekend?
Yeah.
Shout out to Joe Stu. I know Joe caught that. I know he's hanging
Yeah,
out
I
right
think
next
he-
to
I think he
John
did-
right
I
now,
think he did catch it.
sitting to John's right hand side.
Yo, chat house tour.
You guys want to see Joe's house or John's house? Open up. We want to see the fridge.
Yeah. Nah, TMI, bro. That's personal.
They're keeping them cookies in the fridge, chat.
Yeah, chat. Should I get some crumbles today? I don't know.
Sunday.
All right.
Oh wow! I just reloaded the stream. Look at this. Holy, damn! oh! Now it's over here. Oh, that's funny. Crumble.
Energy. The Chiro. I heard the Chiro crumble is really good. My brother Joe got it, and he said it was great.
Joe already got it. Joe already got it. Hey Joe, jump on Zoom real quick. Give us your review of the churro cookie. I know Anna's gonna want that one.
Bro, screw Sunday. Let's get that today, bro.
Joe's not to John's right hand side. He's just looking over
He's
at
not on
something
my right
random.
hand side, but
Joe already been tested that one. Let energy know how it is, Joe.
those cookies are so huge, man.
Can you explain why the 4-hour close was sketchy? Yeah, my bad. Let's go back to trading real quick. So basically, like what happened here was you broke the highs, you broke the lows, and this 4-hour candle, you really wanted to see it. Remember, this was our range before news, right? So if price really did want to move bullish, then I would expect that 4-hour candle to close above resistance there, right? Now, also the fact that the daily candle was bearish, and on that original pump, we never broke any of these highs here. So it was just a daily candle coming up, right? As we always say, as long as this high respects this high, then we are still got motion to move down, right? Because everything's being respected. So that happened, and then the 4-hour candle closes weak bullish. Right, weak bullish below the range, a steep bottom wick, which in a way makes it a little tough to get into those sells, you know, if you don't have like experience under your belt. But 1 hour then, you know, close back in the range, 4-hour close back in the range, 30-minute now giving you a fake out, and that's the reason why we say, you know what, the 4-hour is probably a dud here today, and price will most likely move on its daily mission, which is obviously to retest support there and fill that wick. So that's kind of the idea behind it. Today it just didn't. Most days I see the 4-hour working out, but not today. You know, and that's fine. Some days it will, some days it won't. But again, the lower time frames, right, are always going to spill the beans and always going to give us the clues that we need in order to anticipate positions. And this fake out right here, after this massive rejection, after one more attempt to close above the range, all kind of screamed at us, we're going down, right? The only sketchy thing involved in this entry here was just the fact that you were in a bit of a chop to the left. But again, 9:30, clean candle here, bearish day, 4-hour closing sketchy. Yeah. So that's about it. Yep, that's about it. Yeah, and remember in our session,
See how like
there's still how much time left on the day, right? So if we go to the daily chart, there's still 7 hours left. So during our session, the 4 hour could do what it needs to do, and then by the end of that 7 hours, the daily can also do what it needs to do. So that's where the back and forth and the studying comes in to when does that work and when does that not work the best, you know. So it's just a matter of chart time. Yeah, I think that's
yeah,
it,
bro.
though.
Next.
I think we'll call it.
So you trying to go for a walk, dude?
Yeah, I'm down. Pull up. Pull up, G.
Like Mike Bella, one good trade, repeat. So one good trade, I'm done.
Yeah. Yeah, that'll
Do you
be
take
all
any
for
of the
me.
trades during the week?
Yeah, this is
I
my
did.
4th trade.
Oh
this
yeah,
week.
yesterday.
Yeah. I think
Let's
this was
mark
like
it up.
my 3rd trade of the week.
Does anybody remember what I said? Was it 20 or 30 pips? I can't remember.
I think we closed at the same place. So it'll probably be
So this was like a fake. We're gonna label it as a fake out. It was an onion, but like a fake out. Break up current. 29. Yeah, 29 it was. Thanks, guys. And that was nice little 3.8. Probably could have got like a 10%er out of that one. Not gonna lie.
yeah.
But all good.
Bro,
On to
we
the
should
next.
just let our targets. Yeah, I mean, we can't do anything now. The best thing we did was call our play and stuff.
Yeah.
But we should just let the targets left.
Time to walk. Yeah, I think that's it, chat. Great week here. Really good week. Followed the plan to the T and executed when the opportunity was there, and we did a good job. Good job. Good job this week. Good job last week. Good job last month. Let's just keep the momentum flowing. You know, we got momentum on our side. I think as a community, we're in this state of flow right now, which is really good. Let's not get too high on these highs, just like we don't get too low on the lows. Let's just stay calm, cool, and composed and stay within that flow state, right? As you move into the weekend, review your trades. You know, don't spend too much time, but give a nice little review and you know, set your intentions for next week, and next week's going to be a good one, man. Another good week. So we're heating up. It's trading season, and I'm proud of all you guys that are really, really making those strides and, you know, sticking to what you planned. So Rafi, John, any final words here this week?
Oh man, great week. Let's just keep doing our job as professional traders, and we'll be chilling.
Definitely check the Discord because we're gonna get some goodies out there this weekend as well to get you ready for the week. So
yeah, keep an
Nick,
eye out on the
Joe.
Discord.
Yeah, you guys have a beautiful walk, beautiful weekend. I'll see you guys next week. Thank you
Yes,
for having
sir.
me.
Yes, sir.
Hey,
Rafi,
thank you, Rafi.
see
Chat,
you
love
later,
you
brother.
all, guys. See you guys next week.
Later, brother.
Peace, chat.
Peace.
All right,
Peace.
guys. All right, John. See you in a few. All right, chat. Later. No more from me. I think that's it. We'll call it a week here. Have a blessed weekend. If you guys can give a helping hand to some people in need this weekend, I think that'll be the icing on the cake. So I'm gonna find some ways to do that myself. And if you guys find some ways to look for opportunities to serve people and help some people here and there, wherever you can. It's getting hot out, right? Summertime's coming. There's a lot of people that are out there and they don't have any water, and even just a water bottle could probably help someone out these days in some of these hot places. So love y'all, man. See you guys next week. Great job.